Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best clarinets on the market, the Mendini B-flat clarinet. If you're looking for quality, affordability, and a great playing experience, you're in the right place. Let's start with what makes this clarinet stand out. The Mendini B-flat clarinet features a beautiful ebonite body that not only looks sleek but also enhances sound quality. This instrument is designed for both beginners and intermediate players, making it versatile for any skill level. Assembling the clarinet is a breeze. Simply attach the barrel to the mouthpiece, connect the body, and finally, add the bell. It's quick and easy, perfect for those who want to get started playing right away. Now, let's talk sound. The Mendini B-flat clarinet produces a warm, rich tone that is sure to impress. Whether you're playing in a band or practicing solo, this clarinet delivers a quality sound that rivals much more expensive models. One of the best features of the Mendini Clarinet is its portability. The compact design and lightweight body make it easy to carry around, whether you're heading to lessons or performances. Plus, the classic black finish gives it a professional look. If you're interested in the Mendini B-flat clarinet, check the link in the description below to grab yours today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations.